Hey YouTube, today we're going to learn a combination, isolation combination. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, out, in, out, in. Are you ready? We're going to go straight in, so warm up, and before I teach you, hit like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff, yeah? And if you enjoy it after class, share it. Okay, thank you, I would appreciate it. Alright, first things first, we're going to be in our classical position as always. Sink into the heel, and then raise the seat off the floor, sit back, and sit on top of it. First one, shoulder hits. So, tummy engaged, chest lifted, shoulders down, long neck, arms to the side. Shoulder forward, forward. When one shoulder goes forward, the other one goes back at the same time. Okay? Ha. Da. 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 Option 1, stay there for me. Option 2, if you're a bit more advanced, you'd like to give it a go, you can do it with a shimmy. Put both feet on the floor, and then shoulder hip, 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 your neck, shoulder, 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 shoulder. Okay. Next one, chest up and down. Okay, keep your feet together for me for the moment while we practice, because your leg's going to burn real quick. Sink into your heels. Chest is lifted, even though we're going to do chest lifts and chest drops. Shoulders down, long neck. Upper back, upper abs. Upper back. What does that mean? Well, come to my school and I'll teach you properly. But essentially, contract your upper back, contract your upper abs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Option 1, as you are. If you're more advanced, put a shimmy on top. Lock, lock, but try to make it sharp as you can. Sharp as you can. Sharp as you can. Sharp as you can. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, it's 4, it's 5, it's 6, it's 7. We're going to alternate the shoulders, 4 shoulders and 4 chests. So, 1, 2, doesn't really matter which shoulder you start with. 5, 6, 7, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Option 1, stay. Option 2, shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Smile. And again. 1, 2. Make sure your hands are not pushing when you do your shoulders, and make sure your elbows are not pumping when you do your chest. Okay? Should be. No hands, just the shoulders. 3, 4. It should be just the chest and no elbow pumping. Okay, we're going to add on. Now you need to go to classical position. Sink into your heel, raise this one, back and on top. Hip lifts and drops. Up, down. Snap, no bouncing, please. Up, down. Up, down. Chest still. Up, down. So there's much more, significantly much more to all the things I teach you on YouTube. If you want to learn properly and learn loads and get really awesome and be really amazing and get a really good toned body, come to my classes on Zoom Live. I teach you, and if you don't want me to see your face for some reason, have a camera off, and if you still don't want me to see you or be with you, you can do it online. You can do the online subscription only, which is just to log in and watch the videos whenever you wish. But the videos are the classes, right? Up, down. All of my classes are available. Belly dance, from solo, Ori Tahiti, tribal from a trap, my style tribal fusion, and all the levels of belly dance, yes? Latin belly dance, hip hop, everything. Alright, we're going to try and put it together now. Alright, shoulder, 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 chest, 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 hip, 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 hip. I dare you to try it on the other side even though we haven't tried it. Okay? Doesn't matter what shoulder you start with. 5, 6, 7, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Chest, 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 hip, 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 hip. Shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's change sides. Okay, so now we're going to do pelvic drops and lifts. So, sink into your heels again for me. And you're going to come into classical position. Hips right now should be in neutral, so that basically means in the middle. Chest is up, shoulders are down. And what you're going to do is you're going to drop the pelvis downwards, like this. And then you're going to lift the pelvis upwards. So it's down, up, down, up. Just make sure you're not throwing your bottom out and you're not pushing your bottom out. We don't want to do that, okay? You want to stay in the middle and then you want to go out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, belly in, out, in, chest up, out, in. Keep it nice and small. You do not want to feel this in your lower back or your spine. So it's all muscles, it's all muscles. Use your muscle control to stop your hips from going too far. Don't want anyone, don't flare anything, yeah? Keep it small. If in doubt, keep it really tiny. Drop, lift, drop, lift. Okay, change legs. Oh my God. All right, sink into the heel, classical position, drop and lift. Drop, lift, drop, lift, drop. Notice I'm not bouncing. This feels really nice inside my body. I'm not over exaggerating and getting a backache or hurting my back. It's really small. Drop, lift. I'll keep going, I'll show you. So, we have drop, lift, boom, ba, boom, ba, boom, ba, okay? And we're gonna try and put the whole thing together. Okay, you ready? Give it a go. So, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down, up, down. You've got up, down, up, down. You've got out, in, out, in. Oh, uh-oh. Struggling the leg. Sink back and on top. Ready? Shoulders. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, got a challenge for you. Option 1, if you're a complete beginner and you're just really like, even that's just messing your head up because it's kind of supposed to. It's called a brain teaser. That's what a brain teaser means, yeah? To confuse you on purpose so that you have to think about what you're doing, right? But if it's not challenging you that much, you can try to put a vibration shimmy on top the whole time. So those of you who know how to do basically your vibration shimmy that we normally do on 2 legs, so you have on 1 leg and try to do the whole thing. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah! Last time on the other side. Are you ready? Let's try it. Don't feel like you have to put the shimmy on top. It's not necessary. Yeah? Okay. So it's 5, 6. Shimmy is optional. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just shimmy in the middle. I hope you enjoyed that. If you share on social media, film yourself, tag me at Melissa BellyDance London on TikTok, Melissa BellyDance on Instagram, and Melissa BellyDance on Facebook. I'd love to see it. I'll pick you up and share it. Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.